Good morning, student. See now, the new lesson, that is area. Okay, this is a very important lesson for scholarship too. So we'll go very slow. Means one by one topic we'll conduct. So first we have to revise some formulas. These formulas here you have to write in your notebook. See, area of square is equal to side square. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Area of right angle triangle 1/2 product of side making right angle, means this is right angle, so which sides making right angle, these two sides, product of this 1/2 into product of these two sides, and this is the standard formula for the triangle. This is applicable for any triangle when base and height is given. Formula is what? 1/2 base into height, area of a triangle. Okay, so now you have to study, this is area of a parallelogram. Now you know parallelogram means what? Opposite sides are parallel. So how to find this formula for C? This is ABCD is a parallelogram. If we draw this perpendicular and if we cut this portion from this, okay, and if we stick up that portion here, see A is here, this portion here you have to adjust. Okay, so B come here, D is here. Okay, so if you see this diagram, this is look like a rectangle, and we know rectangle formula is what? Length into breadth. But in a parallelogram, this length we have taken base and this breadth we will take here height. So the formula of this one, area of a parallelogram, is what? Base into height. This is length into breadth, but this is we taken length as a base and breadth as a height. This formula also you have to write in your notebook. Okay, so now we will see the solved example from the book first, and then we'll see the practice set. See now, first one. So what is the first example? If base of a parallelogram is 8 centimeter and height is 5. Base, then find its area. We know first here you have to write the formula. Formula having the mark. Area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. Okay, so it is 8 into 5. 8 5s are 40. But this is area. Area having the unit, that is area of any figure having the unit square, and then whatever be the unit given, that is square centimeter. If unit is not given, then here you have to write square unit. Okay, so this is simple one, but sometimes they can ask somehow different questions like this. See the second one. So here, if area of parallelogram is, means area is given here, and what is given? Base is given, then here you have to find height. If anything you have to find from the parallelogram, first you have to write the formula. Area of parallelogram is equal to base into height, and which values are given, put that values. See here, area is given 112, base is given 10 into height, as it is height we have to find. So this 10 is multiplied, when it come left side, divide. We know here 1 0, so after from right to left, put count one digit and put decimal point, it is 11.2. What is this? This is the height. Don't write here square, because here height and base having only centimeter, meter, whatever will be the unit, and in area only there is a square centimeter or whatever be the square unit is given. Okay, because student having the confusion here, when they found this height or base, here also they write here square centimeter. This is not area, this is the height. Okay, so now we'll see the practice set. Very simple practice set, only 3 questions are given, first, second, third. We'll discuss first. If base of parallelogram, means this is base, and height 11, here you have to find area. Like this first example, here you have to find the answer. Very simple example. Second, if area of parallelogram, here area is given. Okay, 29.6 square centimeter, and its base is 8 centimeter. Find its height. Okay, now this is a second type of example. Here you have to find the height using this. And third one, area of parallelogram is given, height is given, find the length of base. This third example I will solve here. Okay, so first one, we'll write that given values. What is given here? Okay, so first one, see area of a parallelogram. This is the 15th lesson, area Okay. So example number practice set 15.1. Example number 3. Here you have to write this example number 3. Here just I have written this one. So what is given? First one, see, if you have to solve this example very easily. So first write given thing. See, huh? What is given? Area, base and height. Okay. So which values are given? Put that value. So see, we'll read this one. Area of parallelogram 83.2. Area is given 83.2 square centimeter. Okay. Then what? If its height is given 6.4 centimeter, then what you have to find? Find the length of base. This value here you have to find. Now we'll see this one, how to solve. Okay. So we'll know the formula. Area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Put the value. Area is what? 83.2. Base not given. Height 6.4. Now this value is multiplied. When it comes left side, then it is divide. So 83.2 divided by 6.4 is equal to base. Now here you have to remove the decimal point. See, it is very simple. After decimal point, here one digit, here also one digit. So directly you can remove this. So number come 832 upon 64. Then these both are even number. So you can divide by 2. 2 threes are 2 twos are. Okay. Here 2 fours are 2 ones are 2. 1 remain 12 2 6 are. Okay. Again you can divide this by directly 4. 4 eights are 32. 4 ones are 4. This one is not divisible. So 0. Then 16. 4 fours are 16. So see, base is equal to 104 upon 8. Again this one by 2. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are and 2 twos are 4. Again this one by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. 1 remain 12. 4 threes are 12. So base value come 13 centimeter. So base of that parallelogram is 13 centimeter. Like this you have to solve next two examples. Okay. Thank you.